Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Mac here, and listen, I'm back in DC, back in the US, and I'm at the DC Holiday Market. This is so exciting for me because I've never gone to a Christmas market in the US. This is my first one. It's right here behind me. Let's go check it out. So the market sits right off of Dupont Circle. If you're familiar with DC at all, there's Dupont Circle behind me, or in front of me. There's Dupont Circle, and then if you turn right back around, here is the DC Holiday Market. Let's go walk through this market. I like the coloration of the buildings. The blended concept goes really well. It's very clean, white and red, two color combinations.
I saw you.
Okay, Baltimore Original donuts here. So let's do it like this. Let's go down this side and then we'll come back and do the other side. That'll probably make a little more sense than just doing both sides all at one time. We'll go down one side, then come back and go down the other side. And this is what I was hoping to find. Some really nice ornaments, something to take home and put on the tree. I like these birds. Carved, very light. I think they're carved out of wood though. Nice. Different types of ornaments. This says imported crafts.
You see the birds?
I think these are, yeah, these are puzzles. Oh, those are nice, really nice puzzles. Look at this puzzle company. 1,000 pieces. Those are all mushrooms. That's really cool. But just a lot of puzzles. If you have a lot of time on the holiday, during the holiday season, you could spend some time completing a puzzle. There's some jewelry. Far East Antiques Collectibles. Appears to be mostly prints. You know, I picked up a really nice print in Scotland earlier this year.
A lot of pressure.
There's a view of Washington, D.C. That's nice. Okay, let's keep moving. Europe's finest cheese.
Best cheese you ever had.
Best cheese I ever had?
Guaranteed.
Some nice cheeses, different types of cheeses here.
So we have a Romano Padera. This is a 4-year aged Gouda.
Oh, 4 year?
4 years.
4 year aged Gouda.
Right. It will change flavor 3 different times in your mouth. Swirl it around, make sure all your taste buds get it.
Oh.
And chew it. So it goes from a strong to a nutty to a cream.
Yeah, I'm at the nutty.
Isn't that crazy? That's amazing cheese.
That is a nice cheese.
That's a Romano Padera. Now we have Parmesan Reggiano. You ever had real Parmesan?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
So the Parmesan is supposed to be hard or soft?
In the middle. Kind of hard, right?
No.
No?
No. This will melt in your mouth. That's real Parmesan.
This is real Parmesan.
Right?
That looks
Straight
good.
from Italy.
Oh, I love that taste.
That's real Parmesan.
That's nice.
Isn't that crazy?
It is. It is.
People don't know what real cheese is. This is real cheese. These are all European cheese. Yeah.
Thank you.
You can't do it, but thank you for stopping by.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, here's some other candies. Then here's some jewelry. Well, no, I haven't made it to the jewelry yet. This is nice art. I like that. Lobster on a pig. Artworks look really good. Imported crafts. This is a very eclectic market. Much different than what I was expecting. And it's good that I didn't come in with too many expectations of what to see here. But these are really nice. Although it looks like appears to be some nice little needle felted figurines, horror designs, cloths and accessories. These hats, knitted hats. Here's some more jewelry. And my kids would love some of these hats. I guess I should be glad they're not here with me because I'd have to buy at least 3 or 4 of those if they were with me. Some nice fragrant candles. These wooden crafts, wooden carved items, and then more Middle Eastern items. Really nice. So this is a really nice market. It's small and it focuses in on small businesses from a diverse backgrounds and cultures. So you can find a little bit of everything here. So let's check down the other side of it now. There's some really nice ornaments, wooden and carved. Some of these are really cool. This is very unique items. Some nice vinyl stickers. It's just a more artisan work, art designs. Hand-blown glass. Now these are nice. I have one or two of these at home. I do have to take care of them though because I have to put them high up on the tree. The toddler, I don't know if this is a cow or a pig cow or a deer. Yeah. Because it's a deer.
So.
But the nose is a little piggish. It's pretty though, really pretty. It's really beautiful. Hand-blown glass is so unique and it's really fragile. Oh, there's some more glass baubles. Now, I would love to try to take some of these home with me. I really love glass. Oh, there's even more in here. But glass is just so fragile. And I'm just concerned about being able to get it through customs. I'm flying back to DC, back to London tomorrow. Oh, wow, look at this, though. These are so beautiful. Look at those kind of insets into the glass. And then here's another one that's just as beautiful as the one beside, a different coloration. I have no idea how you would do that, how you would create that, but it's all beautiful and all made out of glass. Such unique designs. Different colorations of that again. I love that pattern. But again, I don't think I can get this on an airplane and make it back to the UK with me. I think I just may have to admire something so beautiful and fragile. You know, I'm looking at these glass ornaments. I may come back and try to figure out how to get at least maybe one of these smaller ones home with me because they're so unique. I don't think I've ever seen a design before. Now, these designs I've seen before. They're beautiful designs. I've seen that before. But the designs with the inserted glass that kind of comes in and goes into the center, that is something that is so special to me. Some unique map designs. I think it's going to be predominantly prints of some wonderful cities and locations across the U.S. Seattle, Austin, Prince George's County, which is local, Philadelphia. Here's some other prints on this side. Some beautiful artworks. Predominantly DC focused, DC themed. DC is a beautiful city most of the year. Middle of winter, not so pretty, but the spring is beautiful, summer, beautiful, fall colors. Everything but the dead of winter. This is a beautiful city to be in. spices and teas. You can smell the herbs and spices as you get close. Now, where I can't take home some ornaments, I may be able to take home some nice chai tea with me. You can smell the herbs, so fragrant. Look at this, turmeric tea, white tea lychee, green tea pear, strawberry rhubarb, hibiscus mango. And the black apple.
Black apple?
Yeah, black tea apple.
Vegetable slices and green tea.
I like those little hats with the smiley faces on it. Those are cool. I might get Blakely one of those. Very unique items here. I really like this market. It's very eclectic. But it's like there's some more prints. Now these look like they appear to be more historical prints than some of the others. These are some nice little slippers. Santa on slippers. So this is a very eclectic market, guys. If you know anything about DC, this market matches the city entirely and perfectly. This has been a wonderful walkthrough for me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Tell me which part you like the most. Drop that down in the comments. I want to keep going to great Christmas markets all through the holiday season, so be sure to like and subscribe to follow along. Until next time, take care.
I've never cared much for winter. Ice and snow leaves me totally cold. But something's up each year in December. I love it like a miner loves gold. It's never about the present.